Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can enable dark mode in Canva. So if you work late at night or you just prefer a darker interface, this will help you reduce your eye strain and improve your design experience. So without further ado, all you have to do is click on your profile name or profile picture, look for the settings, and in the settings menu look for accessibility, and in here you will find themes. You can choose sync with the system, and if your system is already configured with dark mode, then Canva will also become dark mode, or you can just force it to become dark mode and keep your system as it is. So that's basically it. You can now use Canva in dark mode. If you have liked the video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick tutorials, and see you on the next video.